I've been joined by one of my opponents, Viola, in this journey, and I'm sure we're not going to disappoint you, comrades. This is not a sign of defeat, but this is a sign of unity and togetherness in this journey. Comrades, power! Comrades, power! Comrades, viva! Comrades, ria! Comrades, ria! Ogada, power! Ogada, power! Comrades, power! Today, me as Julius Viola King, I'm standing here to support Jacqueline Ogada as the incoming CS Finance. Comrades, power! Comrades, power! I'm so much happy that you Mekuja and you've joined me, and what I can say is that we are going to make you proud, and you're going to feel that indeed Jacqueline is a leader, and indeed Jacqueline deserves this position. Dear comrades, I've realized in unity and in confidence and upgrading the integrity of comradeship, Jacqueline Ogada is the best person for CS Finance. I'm asking my supporters to come in hand with the delegates to support Jacqueline Ogada in this journey of comradeship. My vision aligns with Jacqueline Ogada, and in that, I'm believing that Jacqueline Ogada is the best person for CS Finance. Comrades, power! Comrades, viva! Comrades, power! We are going to make it in this journey, and we are not going to disappoint you. We want to serve you. We are not just going to be leaders by names, but we are going to make sure that we serve you and you get your rights. Comrades, power! Comrades, viva! Comrades, ria! Comrades, ria! This seat is ours, and together we are now together in this journey. Just know that there is nothing that is going to be a barrier.